Hey, I bought some stuff from Home Defense 24. Let's do an unboxing. This should be the final part for my Valken project, a new air chamber. I have waited a long time for this, so I'm very happy to finally get it. Home Defense 24. European dealer from Germany, and I have bought these ones as well, a ball detention thing, and some bumper, and a bolt lock spring. I think I'm gonna buy the tuning spring as well, but first of all we're gonna try these things out on my standard Valken. I unboxed this for about 6 months ago, and I have been waiting for these parts because this is a tuning chamber, and it's got a big chamber inside. I don't know if you can see, maybe with a flashlight. But there's a chamber inside. There's not just a hole. There's a chamber. And some nice holes for airflow. And the pin, if you need that. And this one is going on here. Let's see. It's gonna fit this way, and there's a hole for this one if you want to use this one. I use this one because it's very stable, and yeah, this on-off switch is from Home Defense 24 as well, and I really like it. It's high flow, super nice. I have bought some other from other companies there was no high flow, so yeah, I'm happy. It's gonna be very cool. I hope. I have not chronoed this one yet, but I have turned this one all the way up. I have not deleted anything, so it's all standard. And in the next video I'm gonna install this. First we're gonna test this one. Test the Valken and see how hard it can shoot out of the box. And when we have done that, we're gonna install this one. And yeah, afterward I'm gonna show you all the nice parts I have bought for this project. You can already see the handle. I have changed the handle. This is the standard. This is a pistol grip because I use it for home defense and CQB. So yeah, that was all for this video. This was only an unboxing. We're gonna look at these ones later, and these ones, and this bolt lock. We're gonna see if we're gonna use it or not. And there's some more parts for this one. So that's all for now. Bye bye from Denmark.